Hey Indian Hills, this is Mrs. Sandersfeld-Miller, your teacher librarian here, and today we're going to talk about databases and research. So some learning targets for today's lesson. Number one, you are going to learn and identify which resource is best for different research questions. So I want you to think about your topic as we're going through the different databases that we have access to, and think about which database might be a good fit for your research topic and to do your research in. Secondly, we are going to learn how to use databases to explore research questions. Databases have many search options, so I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to help you find a way to search for your topic and to help you narrow down the results that you get so you don't have to sift through hundreds and thousands of different articles to find one that works best for your research. So what is a database? A database is a collection of information that is organized for you to find and save what you need. Why do we use databases for research? Well, databases will help you find better information and spend less time finding it versus if you just did a regular Google search or some internet search engine type of search. All right, so this part, you're going to move on to part 2 on your lesson. 7th grade, you'll have a video to watch, and then 8th grade, you'll have a different video to watch. Go ahead and watch your videos and then move on to the next section.